Hello everyone. Daily use English sentences. मैं हर दिन जल्दी उठता हूँ. I get up early every day. I get up early every day. वह बस से स्कूल जाती है. She goes to school by bus. She goes to school by bus. वह सुबह चाय पीता है. He takes tea in the morning. He takes tea in the morning. हम दिल्ली में रहते हैं. We live in Delhi. We live in Delhi. उसे फिल्में देखना पसंद है. She likes watching movies. She likes watching movies. वह मधुर गीत गाती है. She sings a sweet song. She sings a sweet song. मैं हर दिन फल खाता हूँ. I eat the fruits every day. I eat the fruits every day. वह अपना कमरा साफ नहीं करती है. She does not clean her room. She does not clean her room. तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? मैं तुम्हें नहीं जानता हूँ. I don't know you. I don't know you. बच्चे शोर नहीं मचाते हैं. The children do not make a noise. The children do not make a noise. क्या तुम किताब पढ़ते हो? Do you read a book? Do you read a book? क्या उसे खेलना पसंद है? Does she like playing? Does she like playing? वह हमेशा मेरी मदद करता है. He always helps me. He always helps me. क्या तुम जवाब नहीं देते हो? Don't you answer. Don't you answer. क्या तुम पौधों को पानी देते हो? Do you water the plants? Do you water the plants? रोहन क्यों रोता है? Why does रोहन weep? Why does रोहन weep? क्या तुम ऑफिस में काम करते हो? Do you work in an office? Do you work in an office? तुम कितना दूध पीते हो? How much milk do you drink? How much milk do you drink? हम बाजार जाते हैं. We go to market. We go to market. वह ठंडा पानी पीता है. He drinks cold water. He drinks cold water. क्या नीरज पत्र लिखता है? Does नीरज write a letter? Does नीरज write a letter? बच्चे तेज दौड़ते हैं. The children run fast. The children run fast. क्या खिलाड़ी क्रिकेट खेलते हैं? Do the players play cricket? Do the players play cricket? सूरज पूरब में निकलता है. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. पुलिस चोर का पीछा करती है. The police chase the thief. The police chase the thief. मेरी बहन खाना नहीं पकाती है. My sister does not cook the food. My sister does not cook the food. क्या तुम मुझे गाली देते हो? डू यू एब्यूज मी? डू यू एब्यूज मी? हम हमेशा ट्रेन से यात्रा करते हैं। वी ऑलवेज ट्रैवल बाई ट्रेन। वी ऑलवेज ट्रैवल बाई ट्रेन। वह सुंदर चित्र बनाती है। शी ड्रॉज अ ब्यूटिफुल पिक्चर। शी ड्रॉज अ ब्यूटिफुल पिक्चर। माँ बच्चे को क्यों पीटती है? Why does the mother beat the child? Why does the mother beat the child? मेरी बहन हर दिन गिटार बजाती है। My sister plays guitar every day. My sister plays guitar every day. माताजी गहने खरीदती हैं। Mother buys jewelry. Mother buys jewelry. क्या भिखारी भीख मांगता है? Does the beggar beg? Does the beggar beg? तुम रोज कहाँ जाते हो? Where do you go daily? Where do you go daily? पिताजी अखबार पढ़ते हैं। The father reads the newspaper. The father reads the newspaper. वे घर कब जाते हैं? When do they go home? When do they go home? मैं अपना काम नहीं करता हूँ। I don't do my work. I don't do my work. वह कभी मुझसे बात नहीं करता है। He never talks to me. He never talks to me. मैं कभी चाय नहीं पीता हूँ। I never take tea. I never take tea. लड़कियां कहना नहीं मानती हैं। The girls do not obey. The girls do not obey. अध्यापक छात्रों को डांटते हैं। The teacher scolds the students. The teacher scolds the students. क्या तुम मुझसे पैसे मांगते हो? Do you beg money from me? Do you beg money from me? मैं रोज जिम जाता हूँ। I go to gym daily. I go to gym daily. तुम कार चलाते हो। You drive a car. You drive a car. कुत्ते भौंकते हैं। The dogs bark. The dogs bark. मरीज दवाई नहीं खाता है। The patient does not take medicine. The patient does not take medicine. मैं देर से उठता था। I got up late. I got up late. वह आज नहीं आया। He did not come today. He did not come today. तुम कहाँ गए थे? Where did you go? Where did you go? हमने कुछ नहीं देखा। We saw nothing. We saw nothing. क्या तुमने उसे गाली दी थी? Did you abuse him? Did you abuse him? कौन आया था? Who came? Who came? उसने मेरी मदद नहीं की। He did not help me. He did not help me. मैंने उसे नहीं पीटा। I did not beat him. I did not beat him. तुम कहाँ रहते थे? Where did you live? Where did you live? मैं उसे नहीं जानता था। I did not know him. I did not know him. वह कहाँ गया? Where did he go? Where did he go? क्या तुमने ये किताब पढ़ी? Did you read this book? Did you read this book? मैंने नाश्ता कर लिया. I took the breakfast. I took the breakfast. उसने मेरा पेन तोड़ दिया. He broke my pen. He broke my pen. क्या तुमने उसकी मदद की? Did you help him? Did you help him? क्या तुमने पौधों को पानी दिया? Did you water the plants? Did you water the plants? रोहन क्यों रोया? Why did Rohan weep? Why did Rohan weep? क्या तुम वहाँ गए थे? Did you go there? Did you go there? तुमने कितना दूध पिया? How much milk did you drink? How much milk did you drink? हम बाजार गए थे. We went to market. We went to market. उसने ठंडा पानी पिया था. He drank cold water. He drank cold water. क्या कल बारिश हुई थी? Did it rain yesterday? Did it rain yesterday? कल तुम क्यों नहीं आए? Why did you not come yesterday? Why did you not come yesterday? उसने क्या किया? What did he do? What did he do? मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. I did nothing. I did nothing. वह जल्दी उठा था. He woke up early. He woke up early. क्या कल तुम स्कूल गए थे? Did you go to school yesterday? Did you go to school yesterday? पुलिस ने चोर को गिरफ्तार कर लिया. The police arrested the thief. The police arrested the thief. मेरी बहन ने दरवाज़ा खोला था. My sister opened the door. My sister opened the door. क्या वह उठ गई? Did she wake up? Did she wake up? हमने कभी ताजमहल नहीं देखा. We never saw the Taj Mahal. We never saw the Taj Mahal. उसने खाना बना दिया. She cooked the food. She cooked the food. माँ ने बच्चे को क्यों पीटा? Why did the mother beat the child? Why did the mother beat the child? मैंने नए कपड़े खरीद लिए. I bought the new clothes. I bought the new clothes. वे कहाँ गए थे? Where did they go? Where did they go? क्या वह सो गया? Did he sleep? Did he sleep? तुम कल कहाँ गए थे? Where did you go yesterday? Where did you go yesterday? पिताजी ने अखबार पढ़ लिया. The father read the newspaper. The father read the newspaper. वे घर कब गए थे? When did they go home? When did they go home? मैंने अपना काम नहीं किया. I did not do my work. I did not do my work. उसने कभी मुझसे बात नहीं की. He never talked to me. He never talked to me. तुमने मुझे धोखा दिया था. You cheated me. You cheated me. उसने मेरा कहना नहीं माना. He did not obey me. He did not obey me. अध्यापक ने छात्रों को पीटा था. The teacher beat the students. The teacher beat the students. कौन आया था? Who came? Who came? उसे किसने बुलाया था? Who called him? Who called him? वह क्यों हंसा था? Why did he laugh? Why did he laugh? कुत्ते रात को भौंके थे. The dogs barked at night. The dogs barked at night. मरीज ने दवाई नहीं खाई. The patient did not take medicine. The patient did not take medicine. वह यहाँ आएगा. He will come here. He will come here. मैं उससे बात करूँगा. I will talk to him. I will talk to him. तुम कहाँ जाओगे? Where will you go? Where will you go? हम तुम्हारी मदद करेंगे. We will help you. We will help you. क्या वह नए कपड़े खरीदेगी? Will she buy new clothes? Will she buy new clothes? कौन आएगा? Who will come? Who will come? वह मेरी मदद नहीं करेगी. She will not help me. She will not help me. मैं उसे नहीं पीटूंगा. I will not beat him. I will not beat him. तुम कहाँ जाओगे? Where will you go? Where will you go? मैं उसे नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा. I will not teach him. I will not teach him. वह कहाँ जाएगा? Where will he go? Where will he go? क्या तुम ये किताब पढ़ोगे? Will you read this book? Will you read this book? मैं नाश्ता करूँगा. I will take the breakfast. I will take the breakfast. वह मेरा पेन तोड़ देगा. He will break my pen. He will break my pen. क्या तुम उसकी मदद करोगे? Will you help him? Will you help him? क्या तुम पौधों को पानी दोगे? Will you water the plants? Will you water the plants? रोहन क्यों रोएगा? Why will रोहन weep? Why will रोहन weep? क्या तुम वहाँ जाओगे? Will you go there? Will you go there? तुम कितना दूध पियोगे? How much milk will you drink? How much milk will you drink? हम बाजार जाएंगे. We will go to the market. We will go to the market. वह ठंडा पानी पिएगा. He will drink cold water. He will drink cold water. क्या कल बारिश होगी? Will it rain tomorrow? Will it rain tomorrow? कल तुम क्यों नहीं आओगे? Why will you not come tomorrow? Why will you not come tomorrow? वह क्या करेगा? What will he do? What will he do? मैं कुछ नहीं करूँगा। I will do nothing. I will do nothing. वह जल्दी उठेगी। She will wake up early. She will wake up early. क्या कल तुम स्कूल जाओगे? Will you go to school tomorrow? Will you go to school tomorrow? पुलिस चोर को गिरफ्तार कर लेगी। The police will arrest the thief. The police will arrest the thief. मेरी बहन दरवाज़ा खोलेगी। My sister will open the door. My sister will open the door. क्या वह उठ जाएगी? Will she wake up? Will she wake up? हम कभी ताजमहल नहीं देखेंगे। We will never see the Taj Mahal. We will never see the Taj Mahal. वह खाना बना देगी। She will cook the food. She will cook the food. माँ बच्चे को क्यों पीटेगी? Why will the mother beat the child? Why will the mother beat the child? वह नए कपड़े खरीद लेगी। She will buy the new clothes. She will buy the new clothes. वे कहाँ जाएंगे? Where will they go? Where will they go? क्या वह सो जाएगा? Will he sleep? Will he sleep? तुम कल कहाँ जाओगे? Where will you go tomorrow? Where will you go tomorrow? पिताजी अखबार पढ़ेंगे। The father will read the newspaper. The father will read the newspaper. वे घर कब जाएंगे? Where will they go home? Where will they go home? मैं अपना काम नहीं करूँगा। I will not do my work. I will not do my work. वह कभी मुझसे बात नहीं करेगी। She will never talk to me. She will never talk to me. तुम मुझे धोखा दोगे। You will cheat me. You will cheat me. वह मेरा कहना नहीं मानेगा। He will not obey me. He will not obey me. अध्यापक छात्रों को पीटेंगे। The teacher will beat the students. The teacher will beat the students. कौन आएगा? Who will come? Who will come? उसे कौन बुलाएगा? Who will call him? Who will call him? वह क्यों हंसेगा? Why will he laugh? Why will he laugh? कुत्ते रात को भौंकेंगे। The dogs will bark at night. The dogs will bark at night. मरीज दवाई नहीं खाएगा। The patient will not take medicine. The patient will not take medicine. आई होप आपको ये क्लास पसंद आई होगी, तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।